Hey guys, let's talk about the Cinnado D1 security camera installation and setup. So it's super simple. It comes with everything that you need here. You see the installation user guide. It's just simple to understand. You can just use the mount, put on a wall. It comes here with the mount and a template as well. So you can just use this template to mark the location, and then you use the screws according to the instructions here in the user guide. Super simple, but before installing, you just need to set up the camera because it's easy to set up here on a desk, right? Remember also that you need an SD card, so I have an SD card here. I'm gonna leave the link here in the description because you need a good SD card to work with this camera. You can also record into the cloud. So super simple, here the template, and here the certificate of conformity saying that the camera was tested. You also have here your power adapter and the cable. So it's a USB-A to USB-C cable. You can connect to the power adapter, or you can connect to any adapter that you have. I'm going to connect to mine here, and then power the camera on and set up the camera before installing it, right? So here I just connect to the USB-C port. There we go. And you see there's an LED here, a red LED, and the LED is supposed to be flashing. Let me just put it here, see it? It's supposed to be flashing red and green. So you just need to wait for a while. The camera is also going to move. There we go. It's moving horizontally. That's the pan movement. And also it's going to move vertically. And that's the tilt movement. And as long as it's flashing here, red and blue, the camera is ready for the setup. Okay? Which is super easy. You just need to grab your cell phone, install the application, and start the setup. Let me just put the camera here and bring a phone. You see here my phone, and just bring here an application. Okay, let me just zoom in a little bit here so you can see better. There we go. Here you go to the App Store and you look for the application. It's not a Cinnado application. It's for Cinnado camera, but the name is Wansview. That's the one, Wansview Cloud. Just look for this one. You just need to download. You see here that I have mine already installed. And after the installation, I just need to create an account and you log in with your account. I already did that, so I can just log in with my Face ID. There we go. The camera is offline because I was testing before. Let me just remove this camera because I no longer have it here. So I can just come here to device management and delete this camera that I had here before. And the first time that you open the app, if you don't have any device yet, you're gonna see this screen, right? And you just need to add a device. So just click here, select your camera. You see that it found via Bluetooth. This Cinnado D1 is an indoor camera, so you just tap here, indoor camera, select your Cinnado D1, and click here, Wi-Fi by QR code. There we go. You just need to follow the instructions here. It's saying that you need to observe if it's flashing red and blue, which it is. So I just tap here, make sure that the indicator is flashing. There we go. Hit next. And here I just need to insert the username and password for my Wi-Fi. I'm gonna use this one. Just hit next.
Please point the QR code towards the camera lens and wait for the scan.
Now it's time to point the camera to the QR code. Let me just point in here. Just change to this different position here and point.
QR code scan is successful. Connecting to the Wi-Fi.
There we go. So I got correctly. It's connecting to the Wi-Fi.
Registering on the server.
Pretty good. It's working. You see, that's super simple. You just need to wait for it to complete. And here, give the camera a name. Let's say Office, for example. Hit OK. And it's working, right? So Alexa already got the camera, and it can also work with Alexa, right? If yours doesn't get, Alexa doesn't get the camera, you just need to insert that later. I have another video here in the channel showing how to set up this camera with Alexa, okay? But the camera is working right now. I just hit OK, and I can come here and hit play. So I see the camera live. Let me just bring the volume down because there is a microphone here, so I have a audio loop. So basically here you can just come to the console, and from here you can control your camera, see? Controlling the movement. So basically working, right? So super simple, that's the setup. And don't forget that you need to insert the SD card as well and format the SD card. Okay. Usually what I do is just turn off the camera to insert the SD card. I prefer to do like this so I don't have any risk to damage the card, to damage the camera. So I just grab the SD card here and you just need to move the lens up like this. Here's the card. You just need to insert that way and push it until I hear a click. There we go. Then I pull that back. All right. Connect the cable again to power the camera on. Wait for it to boot up. So again, it's going to do the movement with the horizontal movement, the pan movement, and also the tilt, and the camera will be good to go, okay? And you're gonna see the image back here on your screen as well. There we go. It's testing, doing the pan movement. It's going to do the tilt movement as well. And then you're gonna format the SD card here in the settings, right? Just wait for it to become steady blue. That means the camera is connected. There we go. It's working. You see here there's already back working. So I come here to the settings and look for storage. You see here that I don't have the menu for storage. I just have cloud storage. That means I need to close the app and open it again. All right. As long as I have the card there and I close the app and I open it again, it should work. All right. If it doesn't work, something is wrong with your card. But let me just close the app here. And then I just open it again. I can open it from here, right? It's going to log in with my Face ID. There we go. Then I come back here. Not working again. Something's wrong here. Let me just do this one more time. Log in with my Face ID. It says offline for some reason. Let me just check my Wi-Fi here. I'm connecting to the Wi-Fi. The camera is also connected to the Wi-Fi. Now is blue here. Not sure what happened here, guys. Sometimes it's just a bug on my phone or the camera. I don't know. Let me just do this. Let me just remove this. Insert the card, right? Let me just remove and do this all over again. Pretty fast.
Reset is successful.
Add a device, indoor camera, Cinnado D1, select here. It's flashing, right? Red and not yet. Just turn off and turn on again. There we go, it's flashing back there. Then I just hit here, next. Use the password for the Wi-Fi. Read the QR code.
QR code scan is successful. Connecting to the Wi-Fi.
There we go.
Registering on the server.
There we go. It's the second time that I'm doing it. Let me just put another name here. Let's say balcony. Do I have it here? Nope. Let me just type myself, balcony. Hit OK. Okay, it looks good. Console, I can move the camera. Basically working again here on the card. Now I see the memory card, see memory card storage. So just come here. It's enabled to record to the SD card 24/7. And it's recording by motion detection. It's very important, right? I don't want to record continuously. I want to record only when there's motion in front of the camera. And here you can just format the card. Remember that you need to use SD card up to 128 gigabytes. If you have like a high capacity card, it's not gonna work. So I'm good here with the SD card, and I just come back and I take a look at the motion detection if it's enabled for the full area, which it is. Just double check here. So I want the camera to detect the full area and adjust the sensitivity level here, and I'm good to go, okay? So super simple. Sorry guys, I have to do it twice, but sometimes that happens. I just need to remove the camera, reset it, and start over. And then you can just install the camera, put it there, and start using it.